Which synonym belongs to impotent? The correct answer is wet noodle. Which synonym belongs to drudgery? The correct answer is corvée. Which synonym belongs to pejorative? The correct answer is dyslogistic. Which synonym belongs to prolific? The correct answer is fertile. Which synonym belongs to interim? The correct answer is caretaker. Which synonym belongs to hirsute? The correct answer is hairy. Which synonym belongs to rake? The correct answer is horserake. Which synonym belongs to agility? The correct answer is nimbleness. Which synonym belongs to mutinous? The correct answer is rebellious. Which synonym belongs to sedate? The correct answer is placid. Which synonym belongs to obstreperous? The correct answer is clamorous. Which synonym belongs to scheme? The correct answer is blueprint. Which synonym belongs to fetter? The correct answer is leg irons. Which synonym belongs to tantrum? The correct answer is dummy spit. Which synonym belongs to peripatetic? The correct answer is wayfarer. Which synonym belongs to incur? The correct answer is occasion. Which synonym belongs to braggart? The correct answer is bragger. Which synonym belongs to permeable? The correct answer is water permeable. Which synonym belongs to integral? The correct answer is inherent. Which synonym belongs to disclose? The correct answer is divulge.